Hey guys, it's your girl Meshewang. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Click the subscribe button down below. So today I am going to be doing a different kind of video, in the sense that I'll be telling you my thoughts on the Black Radiance Contour Palette. It's my first time using the palette. I've seen a lot of makeup artists use it. I've heard makeup artists talk about it, but I've never actually used it for myself. So I'll be using it today and telling you what I think. In this video, I'll be using the Wayne Goss method of applying foundation to my face, and you'll see later on. But let's get into the video. Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I have now 2 eyebrow tutorials, so if you want to see how I do them, then you can check those out on my channel, and I'll link them up top for you as well. Alright, so I start off with priming, and I am now applying my foundation. Now, according to Wang Goss, you apply your foundation from the nose area out to the base. So from the front of your face, I want to say, out to the base of your face. All right, so that is what I'm doing. And according to him, you apply your first layer of foundation, and then you go ahead and do your eyes or whatever else that you need to do on your face, while allowing that foundation to set in and allow it to get dry, or not dry per se, but tacky, and then you go ahead with your second set of foundation if you need to. So that is what I did, and this is totally different from what I am used to doing. I'm usually doing my eyes first. Well, thank God in this video I'm not really doing much for my eyes. I'm just using my contour shade on my eyes. And yeah, so I am doing my eyes. I'm applying my lashes. I added the foundation already, and I'm allowing it to dry or set in a little bit. So after doing that, I am going to go ahead with a second round of foundation, because I felt that my face needed it. And guys, I am a little bit darker in this video because I did some running in the sun this morning. And so I didn't mix my Maybeline Superstay foundation 356, which I'm usually mixing because it's a little bit darker for me. I didn't mix it this time. I just went ahead and used it. So I'm going in now with the second layer of foundation on my face. And do you see how I'm applying that foundation? I'm starting from the nose area out to the base, and I'm just tapping that into my face. Just tap, 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 tap that foundation into the skin. Alright, so guys, here goes the fun part. I'm starting with my contour. I was so excited to start the contour palette that I didn't even realize that I didn't do my highlight yet. And that's how I do my face. I do my highlights first, and then I do my contour. So that was a little bit, that was probably is a teaser, I don't know. But I'm doing my highlights. I'm using my Fawn LA Girls Concealer Fawn. And I'm going to do my highlights and then go on to the contour. Alright, so guys, it is game time. I am now going in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark palette because, of course, this palette had in the darker shades. So I am going in with my contour in those areas that I contour. And I'm going to tell you what I think of this palette now. I believe that at first I thought that it would have been more. I thought that he would have given me more. But after looking back, I thought maybe this is because I had used before the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. And that was just top. Okay, so I think that it's kind of unfair to be judging a drugstore product with a high-end product. So I'm going to talk about the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm going to say that it is very good. Alright, it is very good. It gave me just what I was looking for because I got a little bit tired of using the liquid contour. That is my LA Girls contour concealer for my contour. So I wanted something creamy now, and I got the Black Radiance. And I'm going to say that it is a very good buy. Now, if I want for my contour to have more depth, and by that I mean if I want for it to be darker, then of course I'd have to build up. And guys, if you watched my highlights on contour palette, tutorial, then you would have seen where I said that in order to get the look that you want, then you don't need to start up top. You can start with a little product at a time. You ever hear them say that a little goes a long way? Then it's the same with makeup. You add the contour, you highlight a little at a time, and then you blend up on it, or you build up on it. So for the Black Radiance Contour Palette, if I want a darker contour than what I'm used to with the LA Girls concealer, then I can just build up on it. All right, so that's really not anything bad or take away from the product itself. I'm gonna say that it's a very good product. It's a must-have for makeup artists, for persons who do their makeup. So according to Wingus, let me go back into the method of doing the face. According to him, you don't, and I've heard other persons talking about this, and it makes total sense. You're not going to be brushing the product off of your face because that would be defeating the purpose of putting anything onto your face in the first place. So you just dust it off lightly, the product off your face. And he doesn't bake. He says use the whatever instrument you use. I use a brush, a sponge, and I just damp the product on the face to set them. And I take them right off after putting them on. So if you notice, I didn't have the product all over my face today because I just pushed that into my face, the setting powder that is, and then I just blended them off right afterwards. All right, and I find that I like this method. I don't need to be baking all the time. And I still wasn't oily, greasy, whatever. My foundation was still in place after removing the setting powder right after putting it on. Of course, I went on and I used my ABH Glowkit to do my highlights, and I'm now putting a little bit of color on my lips. And this is my finished look. As I said, I was looking a little bit darker, and I went overboard with the highlights, or maybe it's just the sun because I went outside to do this look. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to be trying this Wingus makeup method more, and to see how it matches with my skin, or how that routine fits with how I do my makeup. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed and you liked this video, then go ahead, subscribe, watch my playlist, share my channel, comment, like. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.